Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about a situation that feels very simple, but suddenly becomes difficult. You go to a hair salon and you don't know how to explain what you want.
Yeah, that happens to me a lot. I sit down and then I don't know what to say.
Exactly. You have an idea in your head, but the words don't come out.
Yes, I know what I want, but I can't explain it.
That's very common. So today, we will keep it simple. Let's imagine you walk into a hair salon.
Okay, I open the door, I go inside.
What do you see?
I see chairs, mirrors, and people cutting hair.
Good. And someone comes to you and smiles.
Yeah, and they say something like, "What would you like?"
Right. That is a very common question. What would you like means, what do you want?
And this is where I get stuck.
Yes. So let's start very simple. You don't need a long sentence. You can say one word.
One word?
Yes. You can say short.
Short.
That means you want short hair.
Okay, short.
Or you can say long.
Long.
Or even just a little.
Just a little.
Very good. These are simple ways to start.
That feels much easier.
Yes, you don't need to explain everything at once. Just start simple.
So I can say, "Short, please."
Perfect. That sounds natural and polite.
Short, please.
Good. Now, sometimes you want to be a little more specific.
Yeah, like not too short.
Exactly. So you can say, not too short.
Not too short.
That means you want it short, but not very short.
Okay, I like that.
Or you can say, just a little shorter.
Just a little shorter.
Perfect. That's a very useful sentence.
Just a little shorter.
Yes, you are doing very well.
But what if I don't understand what they say?
Good question. That happens a lot.
Yeah, they sometimes ask more questions.
Right. And if you don't understand, you can say something very simple.
Like what?
You can say, sorry?
Just sorry?
Yes, that tells them to repeat.
Okay, sorry?
Good. And if you want, you can also say, can you show me?
Can you show me?
Yes, this is very useful at a hair salon.
Because they can show with their hands.
Exactly. They can point or show you in the mirror.
That helps a lot.
It really does.
So I don't need to say everything perfectly.
No, you don't. Simple words and small sentences are enough.
I like that.
Now, let's imagine a short conversation.
Okay.
I am the hairdresser. What would you like?
Short, please.
Like this?
Sorry?
Like this?
Not too short.
Okay.
That feels real.
Yes, that is a real conversation.
And it's not too hard.
Exactly. You just need a few simple phrases.
Let me remember them.
Go ahead.
Short, please.
Good.
Not too short.
Yes.
Just a little shorter.
Perfect.
Sorry?
Good.
Can you show me?
Excellent.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, because it's simple.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. You don't need perfect English. You just need simple English that works.
Yeah, I think I can do this now.
I know you can, and everyone listening can do it too. Just keep it simple, stay calm, and speak.
Simple and clear.
Exactly. All right, so now you can say simple things like short or just a little shorter. That's a great start. But sometimes the hairdresser will ask you more questions.
Yeah, that's when I start to feel confused again.
That's normal. Let's imagine you say, short please, and then the hairdresser asks, how short?
Yeah, that question is hard.
It sounds difficult, but you can answer in a very simple way. You can say, just a little.
Just a little.
Good. Or you can say, not too short.
Not too short.
Exactly. That means you want a small change, not a big one.
That's useful.
Another question they might ask is, do you want it shorter on the sides?
That sounds even harder.
It does, but you don't need to understand every word. You can focus on one word, like sides.
Sides.
Yes, and then you can answer simply yes, a little, or no.
So I don't need a long sentence.
Exactly. Short answers are okay.
That makes things easier.
Now, if you are not sure, you can always say, can you show me?
Yeah, I like that sentence.
Because in a hair salon, showing is very important.
Yes, they can use their hands or the mirror.
Exactly, and that helps you understand without many words.
That's perfect for me.
Let's try a short conversation.
Okay.
What would you like?
Short, please.
Short like this?
Sorry?
Short like this?
Just a little.
Good.
That feels much easier now.
Yes, because you're keeping it simple and clear. Now, let's talk about something very real. Sometimes, even when you explain, something goes wrong.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of.
Let's imagine this. You say just a little shorter, but the hairdresser cuts too much.
Oh no, that happens.
And you look in the mirror and think, that's too short.
Yeah, I feel a little shocked.
That's a very real moment. So what can you say?
I don't know. I don't want to be rude.
You don't need to be rude. You can be simple and polite. You can say, it's too short.
It's too short.
Yes, that clearly explains the problem.
That sounds honest.
It is. And if you want to be softer, you can say, a little too short.
A little too short.
Very good. That sounds more gentle.
Yeah, I like that better.
Now, sometimes they might say, it will grow.
Yeah, I've heard that before.
And at that point, you can just accept it and move on.
Yeah, because you can't fix it.
Exactly. So the key sentence is, it's too short. Yes, and a little too short.
That's very useful.
Let's try it in a short situation.
Okay.
Is this okay?
A little too short.
Good.
That feels real.
Yes, because it is real. Now, let's go one step further. Instead of waiting until the end, you can speak during the haircut.
During the haircut?
Yes, while they are cutting your hair.
That sounds scary.
It can feel uncomfortable, but it's actually very helpful.
What can I say?
You can say, that's good, or stop here.
Stop here.
Yes, that means you don't want them to cut more.
That's important.
Very important. You can also say, just a little more.
Just a little more.
Good. That helps control the result.
So I can guide them step by step.
Exactly. You don't need to wait until the end.
That gives me more control.
Yes, and it reduces mistakes.
I like that idea.
Let's try a small moment.
Okay.
I cut here.
Stop here.
Like this?
Just a little more.
Perfect.
That feels very useful.
Yes, because you are part of the process. Now, let's go through the full experience again from the beginning to the end.
Okay.
You walk into the salon.
I feel a little nervous.
They ask, what would you like?
Short, please.
Short like this?
Sorry?
Short like this?
Just a little.
Good. Short like this?
Yes, a little.
They start cutting.
I watch carefully.
You say something.
Stop here.
Good.
Or I say just a little more.
Perfect.
If something is wrong, I say a little too short.
Very good.
And if I don't understand, I say sorry or can you show me?
Excellent.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, because it's simple.
Now I feel more confident.
More confident than before?
Yes, much more.
Not perfect.
Not perfect, but better.
And that's the goal.
Yeah, simple English, but it works.
Exactly. You don't need many words. You just need the right words at the right time.
I think I can go to a hair salon now without panic.
That's a big improvement.
Yeah, it really is.
And everyone listening can do the same. Just stay calm, use simple sentences, and speak.
Simple and clear.
Exactly.